Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So before moving to our video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join. This is where we post about the node links and GitHub links regarding the nodes and also some Telegram bots and the airdrop links. All the links will be posted in the Telegram channel. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. I post about the node timings and the testnet guides related to that, as you can see. And this is our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon and tune into all so you can get the instant notification about our videos, so you can set up the node and do the testnet task ASAP. So the next thing is form track deployment. So just install the Foundry, just follow this command and then gonna Foundry up it. Alright, going to check the version. So got the version. I'm going to set up the Unichain URL. After pasting this, press Ctrl X and then press Y and then press enter. Next, we're going to clone the OpenZeppelin or GitHub. So just copy and paste it. Just copy and paste the OpenZeppelin. I also pasted the Crypto Console first. So just clone the Crypto Console repository. There you can have the Solidity files. So for that, first we're going to deploy the Hello World. Here, you need to replace it with your private key. But if you watch the video to the end, I'm gonna show you some shortcut. Just export private key equal to open quotes. Just paste the private key here. So it looks like something like this, right? And then press enter. What it does is it export your private key into an environmental variable. So you don't need to paste your private key at the end of the command for every time. You can use the private key variable to call the private key. So just paste it here and then press enter. Okay, I'm just going to do it. So I exported my private key. Now I'm just going to copy it and then at the end just $sign private key and then press enter. So here you can see that our contract has been deploying. Now we got the hash. So just copy the hash, then go to Unichain Explorer, then paste the hash. So this is my contract, sorry, my wallet address. So if I click it, as you can see here, about 26 seconds ago, I deployed a contract. So that's the thing. Next, I'm going to deploy a ERC20 token. For that, I'm just going to copy it and paste it. As always, just edit the private key variable, private key, and then here you need to replace it with your address. So just edit it and so this is my address. I'm just going to copy it and then paste it, then press enter. So if I refresh it, I'm going to see another contract. See, another contract has been created. So that going to open this. So the contract hash end with 5820. As you can see, this is 5820 and this is my contract. So as you can see, this is my contract. So I deployed a token called console. So if you want to change the token name and supply, you can use this command cdcc unit scripts and then nano. You can run ls_al and then nano ERC20.sol. Here you can change the console into anything you want. For example, you can change to Bitcoin, and then you need to change here also with the Bitcoin, and you can change the coin into BTC. And then first I deployed it with the 10,000 tokens and pre-minted it to myself. You can change it to, for example, let me deploy another contract. So 21 million I'm going to. Then just going to deploy Bitcoin. Coin, edit with BTC again. And next I'm going to Control X, Y, press enter, and then going to the home folder. Next I'm going to run the same command. So if you use the up arrow key, you can change the commands for the previously used. So I'm just going to run it again. So just wait for 10 to 15 seconds, you will see the transaction hash. So just going to copy the transaction hash. Now I deployed 21 million something Bitcoin, and this is my address, and this is the contract address. So if I go to my address, about 25 seconds ago, I deployed another contract. So next, I'm going to send the token to another address. So for that, just copy and paste it. So as always, just copy and paste it. Just always replace it with a variable, and then here we go here, clear this, and this is your contract address. We deploy it to, right? Just copy it, right click, and then left click. It will paste automatically. And then here at the receiver address, you can use any other MetaMask wallet address. I'm just going to send it to myself. I'm just going to copy, paste it, all right, and then press enter. So just wait for a moment. We'll get the transaction hash. So this is the transaction hash. Just copy and then go to the block explorer, press enter. So as you can see, from and to my address for 100 bitcoins. So you can click on your address, go to token transfer. You will able to see the to address and number of bitcoins that you sent. So this is how you deploy a contract. For to all day, I deployed so many contracts on Unichain, as you can see. So next, there are another method that you can deploy the same contracts. I'm just going to third web. Just quickly going to switch my wallet to the test wallet. Sign in. So if you are new to third web, you need to create your account. So I logged into the third web, and here if you scroll down, you can see contracts and then click deploy. Here you can see ready to deploy. Click ready to deploy. Just wait some time for the UI to load. Then you will be able to see NFT collection. So this is the NFT panel we already deployed a smart contract and a ERC20 token. So we're just going to deploy a NFT collection. Just click NFT collection, deploy, then give your NFT collection a name. I'm just going to give something console con. Just upload an image. Then you don't need to do anything. Just upload an image. So I uploaded an image. Then I'm just going to deploy it and sign the transaction. Make sure you are on Unichain portfolio. Click sign. So this process will gasless. Just sign. There is no gas for it. So after that, click view contract. Head over to NFT tab. Then click mint. Give you a name. Same name. So it can be a same image or it can be different image. Because we're dropping an NFT collection, not an NFT drop. We're gonna mint one NFT and we're going to burn one NFT. That's the mode. Just mint it after uploading the image. So sign the transaction. So make sure you are on Unichain portfolio. Then click sign. So we minted it. And we're going to open. Then transfer to another wallet. Just going to burn it. Now this process is we're just exploring the options. So we are exploring everything that are in the testnet development. So nothing to worry about it. See that it is not transferable. So I don't want this. So if you want, you can give same name something, and then you can upload the image. So you can do it again. So I just uploaded a logo and then gave a name. I'm just going to mint. So you can do it for a lot of times if you want. Click sign. So I just minted another NFT. So you go to your address explorer, you can see a new tab open called NFT transfers. So you can see information here. So this is your NFT and this is your NFT contract address. So Today we explored node deployment and bridge, and then a smart contract deployment, and then a ERC20 token deployment, and then a NFT deployment. So the team announced the airdrop for the testnet. With the process we done so far, we'll keep you 100% in the safe zone. So if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow me on Twitter for the effort I'm putting. So as you can see, I made a lot of efforts creating this guide. I've been testing this process for 2 days. I also run into a lot of errors. I need to research about these things. So make sure you follow me on Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, join my Telegram group. That's the only support I'm seeking right now. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe.